again welcomes you all to the next session of your maths class. Hope you have understood the topics which we have done till yet in chapter 4 addition. So here is a quick recap for you all. So students, we have learnt addition of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit numbers with or without carryover, about some word problems, and we have also learnt how to estimate the sum of any two numbers. Hope you have done the assignment given on the previous day. Now today we will discuss some questions related to maths in real life in your course book and practice makes perfect in your practice book. So open your course book at page number 63, write down today's date, and now let's move further. So here question number 1 is, Arun is solving a puzzle where he has to form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers possible with the digits 2, 5, 8 and 9. He also needs to estimate their sum by rounding off to nearest 100. Help him to solve the puzzle. So in this question, first of all, you have to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using these digits 2, 5, 8 and 9. And when you will form the numbers, you will not put commas. जब आप numbers बनाएंगे greatest और smallest number, तो आप बीच में commas नहीं लगाएंगे. And you all know that how to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. After that, you have to round off those numbers to the nearest 100. ये भी आपने previous video में किया है that how to round off the numbers to their nearest 100. And in the last, you will add those numbers. So the hints are given here in the side also. So first, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using these digits. Then round off those numbers to the nearest 100. And in the last, add the numbers. You will get the answer. Now question number 2 is, Anisha has rupees 1000 with her. She buys 3 toys from the given sets of toys. She bought toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4 with the money she has. Can you explain why? These are the 4 toys and she bought toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4. But why? Because if we add the amount of toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4, we will get 1000. See, 300 plus 200 is 500 and 500 plus 500, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 500 plus 500 is 1000. So if we will add the amount of toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4, we will get 1000. और हम किन्हीं भी toys का combination ले लें, उनका sum 1000 नहीं आएगा. That's why she bought toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4. Now let's read further. You can use bar models to show the same. Now what is bar models? Bar model is a pictorial representation of a problem where boxes are used to represent the numbers. So bar model में हम इस तरह boxes बना के इनके अंदर numbers को show करते हैं. So first of all we will write down the amount, total amount, that is rupees 1000 here, and then the amount of toy 1, toy 3 and toy 4 जिनको add करके 1000 आ रहा है, वो वाले amount हमने इन boxes के अंदर लिखने हैं. So this is how we use bar models to show the numbers. Now we will discuss some questions from a practice book related to practice makes perfect on page number 32. Question number 1. Anu's opens his suitcase. She finds the following codes. Codes are given here for the digits. Use the code to find the message. I am solving B part here. Rest of the parts you will solve yourself. Now what we have to do, we have to add the numbers first. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इन numbers को add करेंगे. So stepwise we will add the ones first. 5 plus 3 is, yes, 8. Then 8 plus 7 is, when you will add these two numbers you will get 15. So we will write down 5 here and 1 is carried over in the hundreds column. Then add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what we get? We get 458. Now we will write down the code for these digits which are given here. For 8 the code is D, so we will write down D here. For 5 the code is I, so we will write down I here. और 4 के लिए क्या कोड है? L, so we will write down L here. So we get LID. So add the numbers first, then write down the codes for the digits, and when you will solve all the parts of question number 1, you will get that message. Next is question number 3 in your practice book on page number 34. In this question a magic square is drawn below. ये एक magic square है. And in this, put the numbers in each circle so that the 3 numbers in each line add up to 12. हर एक लाइन पर यहाँ पर 3 सर्कल्स बने हुए हैं और इन सर्कल्स में कुछ नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं. तो एक लाइन में जो 3 सर्कल्स हैं और उनमें जो नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं उनका जो सम है उनको ऐड करके 12 आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चेक द फर्स्ट लाइन. देर आर 3 सर्कल्स एंड 3 numbers are written here, 5, 0 and 7. When we will add these 3 numbers, 5 plus 0 plus 7, we will get, what we will get? 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So we get 12 here. Now check this line. There are again 3 circles and 3 numbers are written here. So add these 3 numbers. 7 plus 2 plus 3. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 3 is 12. Again we get 12. तो जब भी हम एक लाइन पे जो 3 सर्कल्स दिए हुए हैं उनमें जो 3 नंबर्स दिए गए हैं उन्हें ऐड करेंगे, we will get 12. Now we will find out these 3 numbers. So start from this line. In this line 2 numbers are given, 0 and 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. और अब 4 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमें 12 मिल जाए. So you can use this method कि आप 12 में से 4 को subtract कर देंगे. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So write down 8 in this circle. So 8 plus 4 plus 0 is 12. So we get 12. Now find out this number. You can find out the number from this line. First of all, add 8 and 3. When we will add 8 and 3, we will get 11. और 11 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि 12 आ जाए? Clearly 1. जब हम 11 में 1 ऐड करेंगे, we will get 12. Now find out this one. From this line, 5 plus 1 is 6. अब 6 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमें 12 मिल जाए? अगेन यू कैन यूज़ दिस कि आप 12 में से 6 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें. सो वी गेट 6. सो 5 plus 6 is 11 और 11 plus 1 is 12. So by adding all these numbers in a line, we get 12. So in this way you can solve the magic square. So this is all for today. Now your home assignment is Maths in Real Life in your course book and Practice Makes Perfect in your practice book. So students, our chapter 4 edition is completed now. Keep practicing. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.